Welcome to the third floor. As I mentioned, each floor is different. Here in the den, you'll find a lot of our contemporary art displays. One of my favorite pieces, for example, is this painting by Mark Barreto, this chair by Ito Kish. Over there, you'll find Distort Monsters and a sculpture by Carl Modelo. Over here, you'll find more interesting pieces. You see this heart by Leroy Nu and this painting by Christian Tamundong. And here, we don't have to talk about this, but this is where I keep my secret snack stash.